Hey everyone, this is Ed Kiefer bringing you another Luxe highlight. Wanted to show you something interesting about our holding tank. What you're looking at here is a 100-gallon fresh water holding tank. You see that hole in the middle there? That acts as a baffle to keep the water, to help the water from sloshing around in your holding tank. Another area that's very important that we do here at Luxe Luxury Fifth Wheels, we do a lot of reinforcing in this area where your fresh water goes. All your holding tanks, as a matter of fact. What we have here is welded steel. It's not only welded, it rests on top. These braces rest on top of the thick I-beams that we have. And these strips, these thick strips of metal go across, and the holding tank rests on that. Not only that, there is another area. What we do is we put a backer in that area. So hey, if you want to know more about our holding tanks and how they're installed, give us a call at 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheels.com.